Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I would like to talk about the two-way prepositions. And in two of my previous videos I talked about prepositions. They used just accusative and I used the color blue. And I talked in another video about the dative prepositions and I used the color orange. And today we talk about the two-way prepositions. They will use accusative and dative. If you are interested to see how I use colors and images to teach you German for beginners, just feel free to click on the first link down in the description. So like I said, we have prepositions, they just use accusative. And these are the prepositions. And we have on the other hand a preposition they just use dative. But today we will talk about the two-way prepositions. And these prepositions they could use accusative or dative. Now let's see for every single preposition an example for accusative and one example for dative. So let's get started. So we have the accusative here and we will have the dative here. It's really interesting to understand that for a preposition it's sometimes hard to give one single word as a translation because in different languages sometimes we use different prepositions. So our first preposition here is an and the translation is at or next to. No, it could be both. And it's really important to understand when we use accusative or dative by asking for the preposition. In this case, we would ask, wohin fliegt der Ball? Where to does the ball fly? And the answer in this case is der Ball fliegt an die Kiste. The ball flies at the box. So there's actually a movement. So therefore we use where to, wohin. In the dative case, no, for an, we would ask, wo ist der Ball? Where is the ball? And the answer is, der Ball ist an der Kiste. So it's really important to understand, to know if an uses accusative or dative is by asking for the preposition. In this moment, in accusative we ask wohin, and in dative we would ask wo. But let's see more examples. Our next preposition is auf, on or on top of. In accusative we ask, wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt auf die Kiste. No? Here we have accusative. But if we ask, wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist auf der Kiste. So again, dative. Our next preposition is hinter, behind. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Accusative. Der Ball fliegt hinter die Kiste. Wo ist der Ball? Dative. Der Ball ist hinter der Kiste. Okay? Next one. In. It's in or inside. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt in die Kiste. In the box. Wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist in der Kiste. Neben is next to, touching or not touching. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt neben die Kiste. Wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist neben der Kiste. Über, it's above or across. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt über die Kiste. Wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist über der Kiste. Unter, it's below or under. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt unter die Kiste. Wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist unter der Kiste. Vor, in front of or before. Akkusativ, wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt vor die Kiste, in front of the box. Wo ist der Ball? Der Ball fliegt der Ball ist vor der Kiste. Dative. And our last one is zwischen, between. Wohin fliegt der Ball? Der Ball fliegt zwischen die Kisten. Here it's plural, the boxes, no? Between the boxes. And in dative it would be, wo ist der Ball? Der Ball ist zwischen den Kisten. Okay, so between the boxes. Okay, those are the prepositions. They could use accusative or dative, and interestingly, it's everything about the location. Okay, so be careful and please remember, you ask for accusative with wohin and you ask dative with wo. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm looking forward to see you in one of my next videos. Thank you very much and bye bye.